Porsche 911 Turbo, the ultimate turbocharged icon. Few cars in history combine supercar speed, luxury, and everyday usability like the Porsche 911 Turbo. Since its debut in 1975, this high-performance machine has continuously pushed the limits of turbocharging technology, evolving from a raw, rear-engine beast to a cutting-edge supercar. It all started with the legendary 930 Turbo, a wide-bodied powerhouse with a 3.0-liter turbocharged flat-six, aggressive styling, and the iconic whale-tail spoiler. Over the decades, Porsche refined its masterpiece, introducing twin turbos, all-wheel drive, variable turbine geometry, and lightning-fast PDK transmissions. Today's 992 Turbo S delivers an astonishing 640 horsepower, launching from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 2.6 seconds. Supercar performance in a car you can drive every day. With its unmistakable design, relentless power, and innovative engineering, the 911 Turbo remains the benchmark for high-performance sports cars. Whether carving through mountain roads or dominating the Autobahn, this legend continues to set the standard. Are you ready to experience the perfect balance of speed, precision, and heritage? The Porsche 911 Turbo isn't just a car, it's a statement. Siku Diecast Porsche 911 Turbo, detailed overview. The Siku Porsche 911 Turbo is a 1:55 scale die-cast model that captures the essence of Porsche's legendary high-performance sports car. Designed with great attention to detail, this miniature version reflects the aggressive styling and signature features of the Porsche 911 Turbo, making it a must-have for collectors and enthusiasts. Key features: high-quality die-cast body, made from durable metal with precise detailing for a realistic look. Authentic design, features the wide body stance, rear spoiler, and turbo-style air intakes seen on the real 911 Turbo. Rolling wheels, equipped with free-rolling rubber tires allowing for smooth movement on various surfaces. Detailed interior, the cabin includes realistic seats, a dashboard, and steering wheel, adding to the authenticity. Opening doors on some models. Some versions come with functional doors, providing an interactive element. Premium paint finish, available in various colors with a metallic or glossy finish that enhances its premium look. Why collect the Siku Porsche 911 Turbo? Siku is known for producing high-quality, durable die-cast models with realistic details and sturdy construction. The 911 Turbo model is perfect for both collectors and kids who love premium toy cars. Whether displayed on a shelf or raced across the floor, this Siku model brings the thrill of Porsche's iconic sports car to life. Would you like details on a specific version or comparison with other brands?